Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export multi-page PDFs in Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you're working with documents that have multiple pages and need to maintain that structure in your final export. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application is open, go ahead and create a new file. Now, in the upper left toolbar, you'll see the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down options, select Open. This is where you'll locate the PDF file you want to work with. Browse through your folders and select the PDF file you need, then click Open. Here's where it gets important. You'll see a dialog box appear with several options. Navigate to the section that says Load All Pages and click the circle beside it. This ensures that every page from your PDF is loaded into Affinity Designer, not just the first one. Once you've selected that option, click OK to proceed. The application will now import all the pages from your PDF, which might take a moment depending on the file size. At this point, if you want to make any edits to your PDF, you can do so easily. Simply select the toolbar on the left side of your screen. From here, you can add text, insert images, or make any other modifications you need. Affinity Designer gives you full creative control over each page, so take advantage of these tools if your document needs any adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your edits, or if you're ready to export without changes, head back to the upper left toolbar. Click on File again, but this time select Export from the drop-down menu. This opens up the Export Options panel, where you'll configure how your PDF is saved. In the left sidebar of the export window, you'll see different file format options. Click on PDF to ensure you're exporting in the correct format. Now navigate to the section labeled Area. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select All Pages. This is crucial because it tells Affinity Designer to include every page you loaded earlier in your final export, not just the current page you're viewing. After selecting all pages, click the Export button. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to choose where you want to save your exported PDF. Select the destination folder that works best for you. If you need to rename the file to something more descriptive or organized, now's the time to do it. Once you've chosen your location and finalized the file name, click Save. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported a multi-page PDF in Affinity Designer, preserving all your pages and any edits you made along the way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.